In this video, we will unbox and set up the SureColor G6070 direct-to-film printer. Make sure you have ample space. Remove and set aside the contents. Locate the Allen wrench and screws and keep them in a safe place. These three parts are for the printer stand. 2 people are recommended to assemble the printer stand. Use the Allen wrench to tighten the 4 internal screws. There are 2 per side. Locate the 2 metal poles that will be used to lift the printer out of the box to place on the printer stand. 4 people are recommended. Once the printer is placed onto the stand, remove the metal poles. Clear out all packaging supplies. Locate 6 screws to fasten the printer onto the stand. Set 2 screws into the stand to place the waste ink bottle bracket. Undo the packaging around the waste ink tubing. Remove the lid from the waste ink bottle and place the tubing into the bottle. Make sure that the tubing is not kinked to ensure proper flow down into the bottle. Remove the blue packaging tape off the printer. Open the cover to remove the rest of the tape. After removing the tape from the fabric head wiper, make sure the wiper is properly seated in its place. Connect the power cable and use the C-clamps to help keep the cable neat and tidy in the back. Press the power button to turn on the printer and follow the prompts on the menu. Set the information on your printer like preferred language, date, time, etc. Continue to follow the screen instructions to begin the ink initialization. Unlock and remove ink tray. Insert a pack and lock ink tray. Repeat for each subsequent pack. Press OK button, and the printer will begin charging the ink delivery system. Follow the instructions on the touchscreen menu. Remove the protective cover and do not throw it away. Install the ink charge unit. Initialization will take approximately 53 minutes and the display will show you the time remaining. Do not disturb the process by opening the covers or turning off the printer. The printer will indicate when initialization is complete and display a message to remove the ink charging unit. Put the protective cover back on. This completes the printer assembly. Check out the setup guide for more details. Also, please review our videos for software setup, Epson Cloud Solution port registration, and more.